Many of our patients ask us, how long will my facelift last? This is an excellent question, and there is in fact a very good answer, but it may not be quite as specific as a person might like to hear, because it will vary from person to person. First of all, what do we do when we do a facelift? Well, what we do is lift the underlying tissues of the face, the muscle, and what we call the fascia. And then we just tailor away the extra skin. And so when you have a facelift, that extra skin is gone forever. We truly turn the clock back a number of years. And our studies show that this is probably 10, 12, or 14 years improvement in the face and neck. You will continue to age. Of course, we all age at a variable rate. But with a very high degree of probability, if you have a good face and neck lift, even 10 or 12 years later, perhaps longer, your face and neck jawline will look just as good as it did before you had your first facelift. And so a facelift lasts forever, but you do continue to age. We can also address face and neck lifting in the sense of the other aspects of the face that we might rejuvenate, because many people think that a facelift does include the eyelid lift or the forehead lift. In surgical terms, it doesn't. And so let me address those. If we remove some excess fat from around the eyes, that's gone forever. No matter how old you get to be, that puffiness will not come back. Similarly, we take out the extra skin in the eyelids, it's never going to grow back, but over time it will stretch again and you'll get back to where you were. But you'll definitely get 5 or 10 years improvement. Does this mean you'll actually look that, say 10 or 12 years younger? No. You may look something between 3 and 7 years younger because you're not rejuvenating the entire face. But you can get a substantial improvement. Similarly, if we do a forehead lift to raise the brows and improve the wrinkles, you will get an improvement there as well. But the whole goal is just to raise a natural amount, not to overdo it. And so the bottom line is, depending upon how aged looking you are, your age and your signs of aging, when you have a facelift or an eyelid lift or a forehead lift, you will get a different amount of improvement in years. The younger person less than the older person. But in all cases, you will get a permanent improvement, but we can't stop the aging process.